Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Luno login, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Luno login, start by opening the Luno app on your device or visiting the Luno website. Look for the login option on the home page. Click on Forgot Password. You will be redirected to a password recovery page. Enter the email address linked to your Luno account. Make sure the email is typed correctly to avoid any issues. After entering your email, click on the Send Recovery Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from Luno. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, open it to find the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be taken to a new page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. After entering your new password, click on Reset Password. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click on the Login button. You should now have access to your Luno account. If you encounter any issues during the process, revisit the steps to ensure accuracy. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Luno's customer support for help. You are now ready to navigate your Luno account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.